Okay, so here we are. We're in November. We're on the very last couple days here of November. So December 1st is already at the end of the week. As you know, this is our 6th week of the course. So we have 2 full weeks and a little bit left. So like 2.5 weeks left. So now is the time to be, number one, not only in this class, but other classes that you may have, be checking the grade book, make sure that it's accurate, make sure that, everything is in there as it should be. Also, just make sure that you're keeping up with the assignments and finishing strong here. As you know, even if there are any zeros in the grade book, I kind of looked back last weekend, and anything that was 2 weeks or more, if you would, overdue, I did put zeros in, not as a penalty, but just to more accurately reflect how you guys are doing. You've heard this from me before. You can totally resubmit over the top of those for full credit. So it's not like you're not able to submit. So, so be checking that out and making sure that everything looks good. And then if you, as we're going in here, if you do have things that you need to make up and you know that you're a little bit behind on, which is okay. The 15th of December is our drop dead date. There's going to be a couple more assignments that are going to be coming through. So, so this isn't exactly it. I think there's going to be that we're going to have an assignment for next week's module and then one more after that for the end of the week. So, so just kind of be knowing that that's coming. It's not exactly filled out. I don't have the final details on that last one yet, but I did want to propose, would anybody be opposed if we would do Friday night virtual? Because I believe this Friday, I believe that we are going to get through the material this evening that we need to for our chapter. So in essence, it would be no new information. It would just be an independent work night. And I would do that virtually then. Is that okay? This upcoming Friday. Is there any opposition to that? Okay. It would still be optional. You wouldn't have to attend, but I'll be there available to answer questions and such. Okay. And if we do go over any problems or questions, I would, record them if I feel that they're, of benefit, and then they would be out there for you to reference if needed. Okay. So plan on December 1st being a virtual live. And I presume that those are for those who are on, and I'll stop sharing for just a moment and look at the chat box. I presume that for those who are on virtual this evening, that's probably not an issue, right? So, okay. If you do want to come here and be in person, I would need to know ahead of time so that the doors can be open. But at this time, would anybody be looking to come to class on Friday at all? Okay. All right. So we'll plan for a virtual live. All right, go back over here. Just trying to think if there's anything else. I have been correcting things as we go along, and yeah, just watch your grade book. Know that we're coming to the end here, and finish strong. That's it. Okay. All right.